Now here we have a real beauty. This is a Suzuki GSXR1100J. Now the J was the last of the slab side models, and denoted by having the 3-spoke wheels that became a feature on the later Slingshot models. Now this is a Japanese domestic market model, and you can tell this by the smoked indicators, front and rear, smaller than the UK equivalents, and the flush backlight. Now it's a full power bike, there's no restrictions at all on this. It'll be the same as a UK full power machine with a mileage in kilometres. Mileage is only 32,427, so just over 25,000 miles. And this is a 36-year-old machine, so virtually no mileage at all, especially considering the year. Now all original, this bike, absolutely everything is spot on. These GSXRs suffer from faults usually around here where we get cracking on the the mirror mount. Absolutely fine on both sides, and as I said, all original, hasn't been repaired. All original paint in the cockpit, master cylinders, screws, everything as it should be. Good original paint. You do get in the white parts on these body kits. However, Suzuki made the pearl finish. You do get these little rust spots, which is actually a feature of it and happens over age. A great way of telling one if it's an original bike or it's been repainted. A very clean engine. Again, you've got to remember, such an old bike in those respects. Tiny bit of flaking paint there, but generally in very, very good order. All the gear change linkage is nice and tight, virtually nowhere at all in the rose joints, levers, footrests and so forth. All original levers as well, genuine Suzuki, which come with more like a black anodized finish than paint. And this bike is supplied, registers as you can see, a long MOT, full service. We've only just fitted new Bridgestone Battle Axe tyres, which are spot on for this kind of machine. And new service, obviously, all filters, fluids, spark plugs, and the carburettors ultrasonically cleaned. Now here, let's hear how she sounds. Now Suzuki's at its vintage, the rev counters don't start to 3,000 RPM. It was a feature they had, probably down to the original 750s with the flat side carburettors that didn't idle that cleanly, so Suzuki never bothered having a rev counter starting at 500 or 1000 RPM. Bit of a cold engine, so a little bit fluffy. Once they warm up, a very crisp bike to ride. Now this is available on the website and also on Car and Classic, and if you're looking for part exchanges, please contact us. As I said, an exceptional example of a late 80s superbike. You know, back in the day this was the bike to have, and I think a great colour scheme, and again all original condition, all original bodywork. As you can see here, this plastic protector is the original one. You can peel this off, can be changed, but it's up to you whether you want originality, and with a very little bit of work you could probably make this one of the nicest GSXR1100Js out there. The exhaust is exceptional. Usually these heat shields are full of dents and corrosion. This is all original, hasn't been painted. All the slots in the heat shield are in good order. And as I've said, yeah, very nice, clean example. Nice and clean underneath. You can see all the suspension linkage. A truly beautiful bike. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We look forward to hearing from you. And thank you for looking.